Hi, Math 1 kids. We are going to do a mastery tracker every chapter. So here are the directions on how to do this. First, you're going to start at the top and fill in your name and the start date. At the end of the chapter, you can go ahead and fill in the end date. Below that are the assessment codes for you. So a 1 is not mastered and a 4 is the most mastered. And you're going to fill in 3 different scores on your progress, your effort, and how you feel about the material. Okay.
And this will look the same every unit. So this front page will look the same. You're just going to fill it out for each unit we go through.
Okay. So the next part is the part you do. Every week, we're going to give you time to fill out this yellow section here. Okay. Yellow section. And you'll include your scores from the rubric
So numbers will go into each of those boxes under progress, effort, and feeling. That's where you'll put your number score from the scale above.
And then the reflection is just like a sentence or two about what you did that week to make progress towards mastering your goal. Okay. You'll do that for goal 1, goal 2, goal 3, and 4 and 5. Okay. At the end of the unit, you have a summative reflection, which you'll fill out in this white part right here. Okay. You'll include an evidence, so something we did either in class or that you did outside of class to help you master or get to the level of mastery that you decide. And then you'll explain to us why you chose that score. And finally, you'll input your score right there for your overall, how you feel you mastered the material overall.
And you're receiving a grade for completing this in an honest way. So if you're not doing well with a topic, that's okay. You're not being graded based on your mastery of this. You're being graded based on your ability to reflect on your goals.
All right, and that's it.